Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress. First, understand that WordPress is a robust content management system, or CMS, that empowers millions of websites globally. It's incredibly versatile, allowing you to build anything from a simple blog to a complex e-commerce store or a professional business site. Over 43% of all websites on the internet currently use WordPress, showcasing its widespread adoption and reliability. To begin, you'll need a web host and a domain name. Many hosting providers offer a convenient one-click WordPress installation, simplifying the setup process significantly. This usually takes just a few moments. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, you can manually install WordPress in approximately 5 minutes by uploading the files and configuring the database. Customizing your site's look and feel is easy with themes. A theme dictates your website's design and layout. Beyond aesthetics, plugins extend your site's functionality, adding features like contact forms or SEO tools. There are thousands of free and premium themes and plugins available, offering immense flexibility to tailor your site precisely to your needs. When creating content, you'll primarily use pages and posts. Pages are for static content, such as your About Us or contact information, which doesn't change often. Posts are typically for blog entries or news articles, appearing in reverse chronological order. The intuitive block editor makes adding text, images, and other media straightforward and efficient.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.